What's up today? Beautiful bird. This is Jalak Bali. Just this is a fake one. However, in West Bali we have birds like this. This is origin from Bali. However, not about the birds today. Today I just want to show you how it looks Kuta, starting from Tuban in South Kuta, which is very Tuban is very local area of Kuta. It's not really slums, I'm not gonna say like that. However, it's more local, more poorer than touristic one area of Kuta. Mix between Balinese people who living there and Javanese people, a lot of Javanese and anyway Indonesian people living there, having very small businesses. So the Tuban is very local area. I want to show you how it looks over there, because I never show you how it looks Tuban, and not many people on YouTube showing you how it's Tuban. And so it's paradox, because when I first time come to Bali, I didn't know anything about Bali actually, and I stay in Tuban, in the Swiss belt Tuban, so I know the area. It will be a Tuban, and then I want to show you the Kuta Square and Kuta area, how it's actually look. Just 3-4 days after the long weekend is finished, every media in Bali was talk loudly, and many other YouTubers about Kuta is so busy during the long weekend. Unfortunately or fortunately, me with Winnie, we was in Nusa Lembongan during the long weekend, and was nothing really changed in Nusa Lembongan. It was very quiet. However, I saw Kuta was very busy, loads of traffic like in normal condition. We will see how it looks today, and at the end I will drive through Jalan Poppies. We will see how is if something changed in the famous Jalan Poppies. So stay tuned guys, and see you at Kuta Tuban now. And basically that's how it looks, the Tuban area. This is Swiss belt Tuban, the first hotel where I stayed in Bali when I arrived first time. That was a long time ago. I didn't read anything about Bali, I just bought the ticket and come. Yeah. Anyway, on this side is the temple. It looks completely different than last time. Last time was very like simple, now it's very like looks very fancy. However, the area is like I showed you before. Normally when everything is working as usual, is a lot of the street food vendors selling the fishes, vegetables, fruits, satés mostly. It looks completely different than it looks now, however it's kinda quiet. I will show you now the shortcut. Just after the Coco Mart over there is the shortcut, and it's small gangs, and you can arrive just at the front of the Discovery Kartika Plaza Mall. See you there, and then I'm gonna go to Jalan Poppies. The new way of vlogging in Bali. Yeah, I'm the area now on the Kuta Paradiso Hotel. As you can see, a few cars around, but not really much has changed. I could say it's nearly the same, very quiet. Supposed to be more people, I think. However, as you can see, yeah, it's still quiet enough as I can peacefully drive a bike and hold the camera recording myself. However, I saw the police somewhere around and I don't really want to drive without helmet. Anyway, safety first. Bali Garden over here. The ATM, some people. And now I'm heading into the water boom over here closed, and the Discovery shopping mall over here. As you can see, not much. It's changed. It's actually very quiet, I have to say. Seems very usual. Definitely not really busy. Alright, and there is the Mr. Police here. I hope so will be no problem when I'm recording. No problem. Alright, Jalan Poppies next and Kuta Square. Kuta Square. Oh, this is the bar at the corner. Yeah, it's also not much is changing. Passing McDonald's open, Matahari's permanently closed, unfortunately. As you can see, you can even park the car here. Definitely like usual, nothing. I didn't notice at all anything different, as it's much busier than before. However, long weekend was busy. At least I cared about that. It was like that. And now heading into the Kuta beach walk and then Poppies Lane. We will see. Now through the Jalan Poppies one, as you can see, I just noticed how big my helmet is and how small is my head. Yeah, that's how it looks like. The one bar over here is open. It's getting to be dark a little bit and supposed to be very busy, but yeah, as you can see, also it's not really much has changed on Jalan Poppies, unfortunately, but I know as a lot of my viewers who watching us daily, they really miss Jalan Poppies, Poppies 1, Poppies 2 and Kuta Legion vibes in general, so I hope so you enjoyed the vlogs today. And as you can see around, really not much is happening. Alright, I will change this view of the camera into the front, and if something interesting I will come back to you guys. Kuta townhouse, that's the apartments over there, and I'm not sure if they are open or closed, however seems like to be closed, and everything actually, tattoo shop, restaurants, warung stalls, everything is closed. Jalan Poppies are the most famous about the small restaurants, bars, warungs, some street food vendors, massage shops, cheap massage shops, tattoo shops, merchandise vendors, cheap clothes vendors, yeah, bar stuff like this. However, as you can see, almost everything. Yeah, it's how it looks like. I don't know what should I say. I think you will enjoy more when I'm gonna show you how it looks at the front. Yo, what's up? And people here also are less friendly. I think because whenever I say yo, what's up or something, they are just simply looking at me, that's it. In different areas they will like more friendly, even in Legion. That's maybe because of the current condition, they are not in the best mood, or yeah. Anyway, enjoy the view. Now I'm sitting next to this very famous statue in Kuta. For sure, if you have ever been in Bali, you should recognize this place. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Like always, a new vlog is every single day at 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT +8. So it's about 7 till 10 p.m. in Australia, about from 11, 12, 1 o'clock at daytime in Europe, and early morning in United States and this part of the world. Like always, thank you so much for watching again. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you tomorrow with something new. Like always, see ya, take care.